Some experts are calling for a Shiba Inu ETF. Now we have a Bitcoin ETF. We have an Ethereum ETF. These are all now live. That took place in a matter of months. We have an XRP ETF getting filed. And some experts are saying that a Shiba Inu ETF is on its way, probably very likely at some point next year. Now, what are ETFs? What does this mean for Shiba Inu? What does this mean for cryptos? And will other cryptos get ETFs? Yes, I think a lot of other altcoins are going to get ETFs. But what ETFs are is a stock. They are a stock that people, boomers, people that have money in institutions like Fidelity and BlackRock, they can buy these stocks that are essentially doing the same type of performance as Shiba Inu or these altcoins. So as Shiba Inu goes up 10%, the stock may go up 12% or 9%, something like that. So it follows very, very closely the volatility and the movements of the particular asset that the ETF is based off of. And in order for these companies to have these ETFs and the way these work is that the main person who is, launching the ETF, who's created the ETF, they actually have to physically buy Shiba Inu in this instance to back up the ETF. So that the ETFs are not just backed by some type of futures contract or something like that. It's backed by the physical coin. So these Bitcoin ETFs, guess what? They buy physical Bitcoin, and that's what backs up the price. That's what kind of causes the volatility and the movements of the stock or this ETF. Now, these ETFs are very, very bullish because crypto adoption is obviously taking place, and every single year, every single month, the crypto adoption continues to grow. And the amount of people that are holding crypto and investing in crypto is very, very small compared to what is going to be in the next coming years. That's why people are predicting these crazy prices for XRP, for Dogecoin, for Shiba Inu, for Bitcoin. It's because the world is going to adopt and most likely use Bitcoin and cryptos, which are growing at a faster pace than the internet grew. I mean, think about it. I am purely speculating, but some experts are calling for a Shiba Inu ETF. And if this were to happen, when the market gets really, really bullish and everyone's buying up Shiba Inu, the physical coin itself, then you have these institutions and these people that have their money in these institutions, they are buying up as well, which is reducing the supply. You have the burn rate with Shiba Inu. That's what can cause these prices to go absolutely parabolic. But the market conditions have to be right. It has to be ripe. We have to be in some crazy bullish times. But if we ever get to these peak bullish times with these ETFs, these are an additional rocket booster on the price when it ever happens. And it can also happen with the selling pressure as well. You have an additional selling pressure when the market becomes very bearish, which provides better opportunities to buy the dip and to trade, I think. So ETF is very good. And in the coming years, as Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, a lot of these coins continue to remain in the top 10, top 20 cryptos, very popular. People in these institutions that have their money there, have been sitting there for years, will be aping in. The bull market is starting. We are in a very, very bullish time period. We have the election in just a couple of weeks. We have rate cuts taking place, which is injecting liquidity into the market. We are in a halving cycle, in the fourth quarter of a halving cycle, which is literally the most bullish possible time period for cryptocurrencies, period. And Shiba Inu, in my opinion, in these next few weeks is gearing up to make a massive move. So you guys better get ready. Now make sure you are in my Patreon, where we just had a couple of calls that one of them did an 8x, one of them did a 3x, one of them did a 4x. You guys can have access to these meme call alerts that I give to you guys in the Patreon. And as well, you guys can follow my future signals, my altcoin updates when I'm buying and selling altcoins, copy all of my trades by joining the Patreon. As well, I highly suggest that you're using ALGOSNIPER trading indicator. This thing will tell you literally exactly when to buy and sell any crypto before it crashes or pumps. You guys can try today for $1 at ALGOSNIPER.com. And if you guys are going to be trading, make sure you are trading over on Blowfin, where they're giving up to $10,000 in deposit bonuses, and you're going to have the cheapest fees on the internet on any crypto exchange in the world by using my link below specifically. Make sure you follow my Twitter. Check out the things in my video description to help you guys make money, and I'll see you later.